Hello, guys. I welcome you uh, in our first lesson. In this part, I would like to introduce you to the MetaTrader 5 trading platform. This is the platform which I highly recommend many people should use because it's more simple and have almost everything you need for trading. So let's get to the MetaTrader 5. As you can see in the MetaTrader 5, we have many portions in here with many things. But as time goes by, I'll be clarifying each and every one of them. So as for now, let's go to codes. If you ever look at everything that is here on codes, you can see that we have symbols. In this part, it gives us each and every things that we can trade it on here. Here we see we can trade on the currency pairs. We can trade on gold spots, silver spots, Facebook, and whatever. All of these things should appear right here. This depends on the type of broker you are using. It will not always be the currency pairs and all of those stuff. Some might offer some other things. If maybe you want a symbol, you want to trade on something that is on this list, it's not on this list, you should click this plus sign at the top, and then you will see many things and many other options that were not on that list. So you can click on each and every one of them. Let us take, maybe you want to trade on this one, you can just click on it, and then you go back. Whenever you go to the bottom part, you will see that thing, it will start appearing right there, so you can trade on it. So let us get to the part of trading. Before you trade, it is necessary that you analyze your market. By doing so, it will reduce your chances of losing. So in terms of analyzing, first you just have to click on each and every symbol or any currency pair or whatever you want to trade. So let us take maybe Great British Pound versus Swiss francs. And then whenever you click on it, you can see it will show order, chart, and properties. As for you just go to chart. It will show you the chart for that market. And then as you can see the chart right here, here it is, it appears. You can analyze in any way. There are many different kinds of way of analysis. So let us take, maybe you want to buy something or you want to sell. You just click on anywhere on the screen, and then these things on the left and the side part will pop up, and then you click this sign. That's how you're going to trade. And then you put in your order volume. Your order volume is the percentage at which you want to trade at. The higher the percentage, the higher the profit, and also the higher the loss. It means if you trade on a higher order volume, you might end up losing more money, or you might end up gaining more money at the same time. It is a two-way street. So, but as for me, I prefer 0.03 on currency pairs, since they have a lower spreads. And then as you can see, you can edit it, you can type anything you want. You can type even 0.1 depending on the market properties. So you can just maybe buy or sell it on your own. So let us take, for example, if we would say we want to sell. But first, let me get to the demo account so I do not just do things without doing a proper analysis. So let us take here these things. Let us take, maybe I head on to Euro USD. Maybe okay. Yeah, the chart part I explained. You can just go into things like this, and then maybe let's say we wanna buy. You can just go and click buy. And then it will pop up things like this. Once your order has been confirmed, you will hear a beep that indicates that your order has been confirmed. But also this depends on the quality of the network you are using. Sometimes it might take long because it is still loading. You see, here it is, and then you say accept. You see, it will say done. As you can see, here it is. Whenever you see you're getting in this part of trade, whenever it is blue, it means you're generating profit. Whenever it's red, you're losing. So if you see your numbers turning red, like this one, you see, it means now you're on the losing part. But that should not give you a panic. In most of the case, whenever you start a trade, there are some fees, there are some charges. So that's why it will mostly say negative. It will be negative and red. That means you're losing that deducting their fees. So let us get to the market. Let me explain. In this market, in this chart, let us take maybe this chart. Okay, let me first delete these things. As we can see here is the market. What are we doing whenever you are saying you are trading? We are either saying buy or sell. Whenever we say buy, we mean that the market will go up. Whenever we say sell, we mean that the market will go down. That's the two things we trade about on Forex, on trade and on trade. That's on the market, on each and every market, we will say buy or sell. So after analysis, if I think that's a buy, then I go there and buy, and then I just buy whatever market I'm trading on. Whenever I think that the market will go down, that means I'm just going to click on sell, then I'm selling. It means the market will lose a value. So as you can see on the right, these are your market value. These are your market value. It's an indication of how much percentage does it take for euro to be in USD. If we're trading on euro, it depends on what you're trading on. In currency pairs, let me just say, in currency pairs, it just means like which number do you multiply by whenever you want to get from euro to USD. You see? So these are the basics of Forex, guys. If you are struggling in any way, feel free to just contact me. And then there is this part of history. In history, it will show you the profit you've generated, the amount of loss, the money you've deposited, and each and every thing that you've traded on, it will show you. If you can see, you can check on today, you can check on last week. You see last week, you can check on last month, you can check on the last 3 months. It depends on what you like. As you can see, whenever your profit is negative, just like this one, it means you are losing. You lost some amount. When your profit is positive, it means you are gaining a certain amount. So let us get back to this one. As you can see on this part, we have balance with equity, two different things. In balance, until you close your order, you will not the balance will not change, but the equity changes each and every time you lose, your loss increases or your gain increase. So that's the only difference. So to close an order, you just come and click here, and then it will open close with the loss, you see, and then you just close. You see, you can close like that one, and then it's done, and then it will appear on the history side. You see, it shows that we have just closed that order. So that's it for this video. In the next upcoming videos, we'll be discussing more about this MetaTrader platform and how many of these things